everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making this delicious, crispy baked chicken.
So this is the chicken I'm gonna be using. To start off, I took the skin off my chicken because personally I don't like skin on my chicken. But if you want to keep skin on your chicken, you can keep it on your chicken. To season the chicken with, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of Goya seasoning. Now we're gonna add some roasted garlic sauce. Then we're gonna add some ketchup. We're gonna add Louisiana hot sauce. One tablespoon of turmeric powder. One tablespoon of ginger juice. Shred the ginger and take the juice out of it. We're gonna add 2.5 tablespoons of Hooters wing sauce. We're gonna add 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Then we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. We're gonna add 1 egg. Make sure you mix everything well together. Okay, now we're gonna cover it and let it marinate for 1 to 2 hours. Now we're gonna take a bowl and add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then we're gonna add 1/4 cup of cornstarch. To season with, we got 1 teaspoon of chili powder. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of paprika. One teaspoon of garlic powder. And 1 tablespoon of salt. Okay, now 1 teaspoon of cilantro. And 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes. Mix well. Okay, so now we're gonna take a baking pan and line it up with some parchment paper. Okay guys, this is what the chicken looks like after 2 hours. Now we're gonna take the chicken in 2 cups of water. And we're gonna coat the chicken with the flour mixture and dip it in the water for 10 seconds. And we're gonna coat it with flour again. We'll continue with the same process for the rest of the chicken.
We're gonna preheat the oven to 450 degrees. I'll go ahead and spray the chicken with some oil. Now we're gonna put the chicken in the oven and let it cook for 35 minutes. Then after 35 minutes, switch it to broil and let it cook for 5 more minutes. We're gonna take 2 teaspoons of Hooters wing sauce. We're gonna take 1 teaspoon of roasted garlic. We're gonna take 1 teaspoon of hot sauce and mix everything together. Look how crispy the chicken is. It's crispy in the outside, but juicy in the inside. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you didn't already, subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.